In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Freshsales with Facebook ads in just 5 minutes. This step-by-step guide is designed to help you seamlessly integrate these two platforms using Zapier, a powerful tool that acts as a bridge connecting your favorite applications without any coding. So let's dive right in and get started. First, open your preferred web browser and navigate to the Zapier website. If you're not already familiar with Zapier, it's an online automation tool that allows you to connect your apps and automate workflows. Once you're there, you'll need to log into your Zapier account. If you don't have an account yet, you can easily sign up. It's quite straightforward and free for basic usage. Once logged in, you'll find yourself on the Zapier dashboard. Now, it's time to create a new Zap. Think of a Zap as a recipe that tells your apps how to communicate with each other. Look for the Make a Zap button on the dashboard and click it. This will guide you into the Zap editor, which is where all the magic happens. You'll begin by selecting a trigger app, which is essentially the app where your workflow starts. For our purposes today, we'll select Facebook ads as the trigger app. You're going to want to choose a trigger event next, and for this demonstration, let's go with New Lead. This means that every time there's a new lead in your Facebook ads, the Zap will perform an action that you're about to set up. Now, you'll need to connect your Facebook ads account to Zapier. Follow the on-screen instructions to authorize this, ensuring that Zapier can access and pull in the data when needed. Next, you'll set up the Action app, which will be Freshsales in our example. An action app is where your workflow ends, executing a certain action whenever the trigger activity takes place. Choose Add File, or any relevant action that suits your needs as your action event. Just like you did with Facebook ads, you'll need to connect your Freshsales account to Zapier. Again, this typically involves straightforward authorization steps. After connecting both your apps, click Continue to map the data. You'll see fields you need to match between Facebook ads and Freshsales to ensure that the information transfers correctly. Take your time here to accurately map every necessary field, as this determines how well your Zap functions. Finally, you'll test your Zap to make sure everything is working as planned. Zapier gives you the option to run a test, which will show whether the actions and triggers are correctly set up. If your test is successful, all that's left is to publish your Zap, and you're all set. Your Zap will now run automatically, integrating new leads from Facebook ads into your Freshsales account seamlessly. And there you have it. A simple, efficient way to connect Freshsales and Facebook ads using Zapier. You can explore other integrations similarly to further streamline your business processes. Thanks for joining me today, and happy automating.